Welcome to Eliza P469, your ultimate guide to harnessing the power of AI video generation to make money on YouTube without ever showing your face. Are you interested in creating high-quality, engaging videos but feel shy about being on camera? You're in the right place, all created using cutting-edge AI technology. In this video, we'll take you step by step through the process of creating captivating videos using AI tools that can help you earn the money. Let's click the subscribe button, don't forget to like and share. Let's get started.
First of all, click on the link in the description below my video to go to AI Video Gen and then click Get Start. Next, sign up Google with your email to enter the interface of Video Gen. Continue to click on Generate a Video. Write the content you want to create a video for in the description. For example, make a video about powered beauty tips for glowing skin. Then click Continue. Click on the time of the video you want to create, less than a minute for the short video, then click Generate Video Script. At this time, you have video content. Click on the voice to create a reading voice. Then click on the caption to choose the font you like. You also go to the music section to select a track, where you can adjust the volume to your liking. Then click Resize at the top, select 9.16 and click Generate on the right-hand side. A small screen will open and you click on the video quality is 4000 and then click Download the video. Finally, you have created one video of your choice with just a few clicks.
Thanks for watching Eliza469. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks. See you next time.